I think it is. We debunked.
First time he wasn't moving.
I don't think it the first time it was. I think it was, and watch, nothing will happen because I put a recorder on it. It always happens that way.
Unless
this is your last chance to do anything. You could touch any of these objects. Let us know that you're here. We all have been entertained by you already as I was trying to set up this piece of equipment, but we would love to have a conversation with you. I love to end our tours with a silent session, so that's my favorite thing. I usually try to get them to touch things, interact with us, tell us their story, and show themselves. I know you guys, some of you probably wouldn't like that, but but anyways, this is your chance to say anything and tell us your story, your name, or anything you want.
Could you go in front of the ghost box?
We only got that to go off once during our tour. That was it. Nothing's going to happen since I'm not paying attention. Can you... Here, I'll turn on the ghost box. Can you tell these people goodbye? Yes, that's all they're going to tell you. You guys want to ask any question? One last question?
My sticks.
Whoa. If they start turning, that means that there's a lot of energy in the area.
Well, and you put them like close like this.
But I think they're twirling.
There you go.
Ooh, that was a weird voice.
Do you recognize me or Elise? Did it say me?
No. I think it said... Can you say hello to these people?
Hi.
I think Ant-Man said hi. We're going to tell you good night. I need a pen. Don't know what that means.
You need a pen?
Yeah, apparently you need a pen. Here you go. What happened to my pens? Did I lose all my pens? I probably just lost all my pens.
No, I think you put them back in your cart.
Oh. Here's a pen.
Oh, it said thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Can you pick up that pen? I don't think those are fireworks. I think that's a backfire sound. Like from a motorcycle.
Michael.
Yeah?
Do you recognize me?
Very whispery tonight. It's you. That's what I heard.
I hear a lot.
You recognize him?
I biked when I went down every single week.
I think I remember. So, Well, we're gonna say goodnight, okay? Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go to our last destination. Turn this off.